where the United World Institute of Design presents to you Crafted Echoes. Welcome to Bharat. Standing tall as testimony to the glory of modern Bharat, as a conduit letting the sounds of our ancestors flow across generations, it's the Red Fort of India, where we stand today to experience the evoking of the spirit of Bharat. Taking us all on a time travel into the world of its rich artistic history. We are here at the Atmanirbhar Bharat Center for Design inside the Red Fort, New Delhi. A trip through the rustic alleys of emotions adorned by rich elements of Indian craftsmanship. Crafted Echoes draws inspiration from the age-old craft of palm leaf weaving, a tradition that resonates with the soul of India. From the serene villages of Tamil Nadu to the bustling streets of Delhi, each palm leaf craft school tells a unique tale of resilience and creativity. As we step closer, we'll find ourselves immersed in a symphony of tradition and innovation. The comparison of ancient craft with contemporary elements invites reflection on the ever-evolving nature of art here. Crafted Echoes serves as a reminder of the pride and vastness of our cultural heritage and the limitless possibilities of artistic expression for the world to carry into future generations. This precious initiative by the United World Institute of Design pays tribute to the countless artisans whose vision, skills, and art have expressed the shape of our cultural heritage over centuries. And we look forward to its echoes resonating through the ages to come, inspiring generations across not only Bharat, but the entire world of mankind.